Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the Ford Transit Custom T350, 3.5 ton diesel, 125 brake horsepower, single cab, steel tipper truck. It's a one lease owner from new. It's a 2015 in the year, 15 reg, and it's got manufacturer's Ford warranty until March 2018. Nice clean truck all round. It's in pure white. It's the 3.5 tonner, Brit tip body fitted. It's got the cloth 3-seater cab area with the driver's armrest seat, multi-function steering wheel, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth stereo, nice and clean in the seats. And on the carpet, nice and straight for a tipper truck. Got the under tipper ram system there. It's the single wheel model, 3.5 ton. So you can put a little bit more weight on these. Steel body. It's got the pinball and electrics on the rear. Nice and tidy on the body. It's just coming on to 53,000 miles. Got more tipper trucks on the website, more makes and models, more Transit, Sprinters, Avicos, all on the website. So just to run through this one again, it's a Ford Transit T350, 125 brake horsepower, 2015, single cab tipper truck. It's a one owner from new. You've got manufacturer's warranty on the vehicle until March 2018, and it's done 53,000 miles only. Lots more on the website. Subscribe to the YouTube channel for more stock updates, or click onto our website. Pictures, videos of all the stock, all in stock, all ready to go. www.jsvans.co.uk. Open 7 days. Thanks for watching the video.